Well, welcome. In this video, we are going to use NotebookLM to create a transcript for an MP4 video or an MP3 audio or an M4A audio. You can use any notebook that you have available, or you can create a new notebook for that purpose. We're going to use an existing notebook. We're just going to click on Add Sources. We're going to upload our MP4 video that we want a transcript for. And our MP4 video is now uploading. It is now uploaded. We can click on top of this element. We will then have access to our transcript. We will also have access to a video summary. We can then copy this entire element to our favorite word processing software. Or if we want to keep it all inside of NotebookLM, we can add a note. We can paste in our information. We can then export the element to our Google Docs. Our transcript will then be inside of Google Docs, and you can then manipulate the transcript. So you can do this for an MP4 video, MP3 audio, and you could also try other audio-visual related files. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.